Love is not about looking at each other, it's about looking together in the same direction. Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. Have you ever thought about the incredible power of walking alongside someone who shares your vision, your dreams, and your struggles? Imagine the strength that comes from two people aligning their hearts and minds, not only to achieve personal goals but to create something extraordinary together. Today, I want to share a story that will touch your heart and make you see life in a completely new light. This story will show you how Antoine de Saint-Exupéry's powerful words, "Love is not about looking at each other, it's about looking together in the same direction," can transform not just your spiritual life but your financial purpose and how you view the world. There was a woman named Clara. She was determined, full of energy, and dreamed of changing her financial situation. She worked hard, but something always felt off. Money came in, but it quickly slipped away, and the weight of unpaid bills seemed to suffocate her dreams. She wondered every day, why is it so hard to break this cycle? Why do I feel like I'm alone in this fight? Everything changed when Clara met Raphael, a man who, like her, had big dreams, but he saw the world in a completely different way. While Clara felt trapped in her worries, Raphael saw opportunities everywhere. He believed in the power of spirituality and connecting with something greater to unlock abundance. They started talking and quickly realized they had something in common. They both wanted more out of life. Not just material wealth, but a bigger purpose, something that would push them to grow. Raphael shared a piece of wisdom with Clara that changed everything. "It's no use running in different directions, Clara. If we want to succeed, we need to align our gazes, unite our hearts, and focus in the same direction." Those words struck Clara deeply. For the first time, she realized that by trying to do everything on her own, she was disconnecting from what truly mattered, working in harmony, with faith and determination, toward a shared goal. It was then that Clara and Raphael made a pact. Every day, before they started their routines, they would take a few minutes to align their intentions. They began praying together, reflecting on their goals, and making decisions that benefited both of them. What followed was nothing short of amazing. Clara began to notice something incredible. What had once seemed impossible started flowing naturally. She received an unexpected promotion at work, while Raphael gained new clients for his business. It wasn't magic, it was the power of two hearts focused in the same direction, working in harmony. But the transformation didn't stop there. Clara and Raphael discovered that when their finances started to stabilize, their spirits were also renewed. They began helping others, sharing what they had learned, and realized that true prosperity only makes sense when shared. It was no longer about who made more money or who led the way. It was about looking at the same horizon and walking side by side. Now, I ask you, who are you walking with? Who is beside you, looking toward the same horizon you are? Maybe what's missing in your life today isn't more work or effort, but aligning your vision with those who truly strengthen you. And if you feel alone on this journey, remember this: the first person who needs to be by your side is you. Align your mind, heart, and dreams with life's greater purpose. When you do that, the doors that seemed locked will begin to open. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Subscribe to the channel to continue receiving content that will inspire your spiritual, financial, and personal transformation. And remember, love, when guided in the right direction, is the most powerful force there is. Thank you for being here. Until the next video. The power of love that aligns dreams and transforms lives. The story of Emma. My name is Emma, and for the longest time, I believed that love was simply about being with someone. I thought it was enough to like each other, share moments, and everything would fall into place. But life taught me a profound lesson, and I want to share this story with you because I believe it can change the way you see things, just as it changed mine. A few years ago, I was in a relationship that seemed perfect. Daniel was incredible, thoughtful, always making me laugh, but deep down, there was something I couldn't quite understand. Even though we were together, it felt like we were each heading in different directions. I dreamed of starting my own business, creating something that was mine, but Daniel believed that security came from sticking to the tried and true path. While I was diving into my dreams, he was getting lost in his certainties. As time went on, this difference began to weigh us down. The lack of a shared goal made every conversation about the future feel like a debate. I couldn't understand why, even though we loved each other, it felt like we were so far apart. Until, on one particularly difficult day, Daniel said to me, "Emma, it's not enough for us to just look at each other and try to solve this. We need to look in the same direction, towards the same future." Those words hit me like a lightning bolt. For the first time, I realized that love isn't just about sharing moments, it's about sharing a vision. Love is about building together, aligning dreams and actions. It's no use holding someone's hand if your feet are walking in opposite directions. So, we did something different. We stopped talking about what each of us wanted individually and started planning together. We sat down, discussed our dreams, our priorities, and how we could walk side by side, as partners, not as two people trying to drag the other down their own path. We discovered that, while I dreamed of becoming an entrepreneur, Daniel had a passion for investing in something that could make a positive impact on people's lives. We turned our conversations into actions. I began studying management and planning, while he dove into learning about investments and personal finance. And you know what happened? Not only did we connect in a way that had never happened before, but our lives began to change. We managed to create a business together that combined our passions, a small company that helped people reorganize their financial and emotional lives. Today, I understand that true love isn't about dependency, nor about living solely to please the other person. True love is about looking in the same direction, about building a future together. Daniel and I didn't just save our relationship, we discovered a higher purpose, something that strengthens us every single day. So, if you feel like your life is lacking direction, whether it's in love, spirituality, or even your financial prosperity, take a moment to pause. Ask yourself, where am I looking? Who's by my side? Are we aligned? Because when two people look at the same horizon and walk together, the universe conspires in the most incredible ways. This is my story, but it could also be yours. Love isn't just about who's with you, it's about who's willing to walk the same road and fight for the same dreams. Look around, adjust your vision, and start creating something extraordinary. And if this story touched your heart, subscribe to the channel, share it with someone who needs to hear this message, and together, let's spread inspiration and transformation. Thank you so much for being here.
20. Love quotes that inspire, words that touch the heart and light the way to deeper connections and a life full of purpose. Don't wait. Click the link now, get your copy, and start the transformation you deserve today. Love is the secret to your new journey.